2021 Nissan GT-R. Starting at $115,335. Highs. Powerful twin-turbo V6, athletic handling, standard all-wheel drive. Lows. Polarizing exterior styling, down-market interior, too expensive. Verdict. The GT-R earned its Godzilla nickname with quick acceleration and tenacious handling, but it's gotten old, and its price pits it against more desirable sports cars. Overview. The legendary Nissan GT-R is a supercar with gut-punch acceleration, but its shine has started to fade. It's been around for more than 10 years with relatively few updates, and today more desirable supercars exist at the same price point. It's powered by a twin-turbo V6 engine that pumps out 565 or 600 horsepower depending on which model you choose. All-wheel drive is standard, and the GT-R offers tenacious handling to go along with its explosive acceleration. Unfortunately, the six-figure entry price doesn't buy a cabin that's lined with high-end materials. In fact, much of the GT-R's switchgear appears to be lifted from the Altima parts bin. The GT-R's exterior styling also won't appeal to everyone. From some angles it looks comically monstrous, but it continues to turn heads, for better or worse. Still, the GT-R is a performance powerhouse with built-in exclusivity, so if you dare to be different, Nissan's Halo sports car may be the right ride for you. What's new for 2021? Nissan has narrowed the GT-R lineup down to just the premium and nismo models for 2021, eliminating the 50th Anniversary Edition and Track Edition trims. The only other change for the 2021 model year is that the Bayside Blue paint color is now available on the premium trim. Pricing and which one to buy. Premium. $115,335. Track Edition. $147,335. Nismo. $212,535. Somehow Nissan charges six figures for a car that cost less than that when it debuted almost a decade ago and hasn't changed much since. Still, those seeking permanent seat time in the mightiest car to carry the GT-R badge aren't worried about price. While the ultimate version is the Nismo, it costs more than the exotic McLaren 570 and Porsche 911 Turbo S. In light of this, we'd suggest the least expensive GT-R Premium. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2021 GT-R's standard twin-turbo 3.8-liter V6 makes a mighty 565 horsepower. It hooks up to a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive that conspire to put all that power to the pavement. At our test track, the GT-R launched itself from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.9 seconds. The GT-R's quick steering, rigid structure, and adjustable suspension can make even amateurs feel positively heroic from behind the wheel. Want more? Check out the Track Edition and Nismo models with a tuned-up engine that makes 600 horsepower. The ride is firm but not punishing, and, thanks to active sound cancellation, the thrum of the GT-R's engine doesn't punish your eardrums when cruising on the highway. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates that every 2021 GT-R will earn 16 mpg in the city and 22 mpg on the highway. However, we don't know its real-world MPG since we haven't tested one on our 200-mile highway fuel economy route. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the GT-R's front seats are plenty roomy, but the rear seats are places only small children could find comfortable. The interior is nicely appointed and offers a host of standard features, but those seeking a high-end interior such as those of the Audi R8 or the Mercedes-AMG GT will be disappointed. Every model features a dual-zone climate control, leather and suede covered upholstery, heated front seats, and more. Interior cubby storage is scarce with nothing more than large door pockets and a small center console bin. Infotainment and connectivity. Every 2021 GT-R is fitted with an 8.0-inch touchscreen that can also be controlled with a rotary knob on the center console. While Apple CarPlay capability, built-in navigation, and a Bose audio system are standard, Android Auto is not an option. Its infotainment system is easy enough to use even if its graphics and menus are not the most attractive. Safety and driver assistance features. The 2021 GT-R hasn't been crash tested by the National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration, NHTSA, or the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. You won't find any of Nissan's driver assistance features here, but to be fair, those types of electronics aren't commonplace in most of the GT-R's rivals, either. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Complimentary scheduled maintenance might not mean much to someone who can afford any GT-R, but some rivals offer it while Nissan doesn't. Its limited warranty period is also shorter than most rivals that offer 4 years or 50,000 miles. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance. Specifications. 2020 Nissan GT-R Nismo. Vehicle type. Front engine, all-wheel drive, 4-passenger, 2-door coupe. Base price. $212,435. Engine type. Twin turbocharged and intercooled DOHC 24-valve V6, aluminum block and heads, port fuel injection. Displacement. 232 cu in, 3,799 cubic centimeters. Power. 600 HP at 6,800 RPM. Torque. 481 lb-ft at 3,600 RPM. Transmission. 6-speed dual-clutch automatic with manual shifting mode. Dimensions. Wheelbase, 109.4 in. Length, 184.6 in. Width, 74.6 in. Height, 53.9 in. Passenger volume, 79 cu fort. Trunk volume, 9 cu fort. Curb weight, 3,850 pounds. Performance, C/DEST. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.0 SEC. 0 to 100 miles per hour, 6.9 SEC. Standing 1/4 mile, 11.2 SEC. EPA fuel economy, C/DEST. Combined/city/highway, 18/16/22 mpg.